And if you keep on asking, I'll just keep saying so. This isn't what I wanted.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Lindsay, and I would love if you hit that red button down below and subscribe and join my crazy family that I have started. So today's video is going to be a huge home decor haul. Some things I have already put up and I've set up, so you will just see pictures. And yeah, so without further ado, let's get started because I'm dying to use the stuff. So the first thing I got is this Parker & Bailey 214 heavy duty felt sliders and bumpers. They are just little felt pads that go on the bottom of furniture. We do have mostly hardwood floors in our house, except in the bedrooms and the office. So I wanted to get some of these so my floors don't scratch, but we've already used some and they aren't the best. So yeah, and that just went off, so hold on. So yes, they aren't that great. I don't know if I would suggest them for $8, but they don't really stick. So if you have any recommendations, let me know. The next thing I picked up are these his and hers little hooks. I got them for $6.99 at TJMAXX, and they just have this little hook back here, and I'm planning on putting these in our bathroom for our robes or towels. Haven't quite decided. They're super cute. I love the font and the rustic look. As y'all know, that is very popular in my house. Next thing I got is this small little pumpkin, and I have a big one, but it is in my living room. But I got this size and the bigger size. The small one was $4.99, and I believe the bigger one was $6.99. I'm not exactly sure, but I just picked these up at TJMAXX, and they're by the RF Home Fashion, and it says handcrafted in India. They're super cute. I've seen them in silver, but I wanted the gold to go on my bookshelves in my living room, so I just got this one, and then of course the bigger one. The next thing I picked up were these, well, this isn't home decor related, but this is exfoliating pads that I love for my face. Let's see. Oh, okay. I got these Hearth and Hand page marker sets. Once again, not home decor related, but I thought they were really cute, and they were from Target. Here is the big pumpkin. It's in the scent Harvest Pumpkin. It has a cute little pumpkin charm. This was $5.99 at TJMAXX, and this is to go in the big pumpkin, and it smells good. I'll probably never light it, but it smells amazing. And then I picked up another one of these DW Home Rich Scented Candles in the scent Magic Unicorn. Oh, it smells so good. This was $3.99. I haven't been able to find a big one. I've been wanting the big one, but until I find it, I will just keep picking up the small ones. Then I got these really cute pumpkin hand towels. On the front, it just is a small one. They come with a set of 2. So it just has some pumpkins, and it says autumn. And then on the back, it has the big pumpkins. And these were $6.99 at TJMAXX. And anything I can find, I will try to link down below. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to find everything just because it was at TJMAXX. But sometimes TJMAXX online has them. Also, okay. Gotta get some drink. Okay, the next thing I picked up were some more Parker & Bailey felt pads. I really thought we needed a bunch, but we didn't. But these are just in the color brown. The other ones were in white, and these may be better than the other ones, so I might try these on the bar stools in our chairs. Then I picked up another one of these little metal basket things. I got one a long time ago, but I just wanted to pick up another one. It was $9.99 at Hobby Lobby, and I'm sure I didn't pay $9.99, but I don't remember how much I really got it for. Then I just picked up one of these Simple Human fold away squeegees. So we do have a glass door in our shower now, as you may have seen in my empty house tour, and if you haven't seen that already, I will put a little card somewhere up here. And yeah, so you will see in the bathroom that we have a glass door as the on the shower, and so I just wanted this to kind of get that film to go away. So I saw this one at Marshall's for $14.99, so I went ahead and picked it up because I love the Simple Human brand. Then I picked up from TJMAXX this little strawberry huller. I love strawberries. I love the cream cheese dip. If you have seen some of my keto videos, you will know that is very, very popular in my house. I've been wanting this for a while, and when I saw it at TJMAXX, I knew it was a sign to pick it up. So this was $4.99 at TJMAXX. I know Target sells this brand and so does Amazon, but it is by the OXO Softworks brand. Got these microfiber blind cleaner. I got this at Ross for $1.99. You just stick them between the blinds and it dusts them. I really wanted this because my Swiffer, I think is the brand, dust cleaner doesn't do a very good job. So I just wanted to get something else to try. Then I forgot about this. I got this really cute notepad that says the future is female. Super, super cute. My friend Misty had one of these and I saw it and I fell in love. So I picked up me one, and it's just this pretty pink and white gold stripe. And everybody has been raving about the new Mrs. Meyer's fall scent. And I have the other fall scent already out. Well, I haven't put it out yet, but I already had it. So I went ahead and picked up the pumpkin scent in all three. I have the dish soap, the multi-surface, and the hand soap. I know a lot of people don't like the pumpkin scent, but I did, and it was something new, and I thought the packaging was really cute for fall time. Alrighty, the last couple of things I picked up that are going to be while I'm sitting down talking to you guys is this really cute jar. And it has like a little cute bone. And it's really big and it has a nice little sealed closure. I was looking for the big one of these to go in my pantry for my dog food, but this one is just going to do for the treats. And it says handmade with love, made in India. And it was $14.99. It doesn't have a brand because trust me, I've been looking everywhere for the full size one because I know they come in multiple sizes. Can't find the full size one, so that is still on my wish list, but for now I'll just use this cute little one for dog treats and maybe Callie's food. Then I got these stainless measuring cups. These are going to go actually in my jars. I think I showed them in a vlog, I'm not 100% sure, but I got these cute, can't say cute too many times, jars for my flour, sugar, that kind of stuff. So I got these just to go in there to scoop. And last but not least, in this part of the haul, I got these under eye wrinkle no more with collagen and lavender. I tried these a couple weeks ago, really enjoyed them, and I picked them up. So now I'm going to show y'all things that I got that have already been put up because I couldn't wait to use them. And yeah. So let me show you that real fast. Hey guys, so one of the first things that I had already put up is this beautiful gold lamp from Target. The next thing that I picked up for the new house is this gorgeous runner, I guess you would call it. I picked this up at Tuesday mornings for a great steal. I think it was $50, and it is a great quality, and it looks super good right here in the entryway. Ignore all that, I haven't put that up yet, but it looks super great right here in the entryway. Here is the big gold pumpkin that I was referencing in the haul, and I just have it right here next to some decor. It's probably not going to stay here, but it looks really cute on my bookshelf. This little runner for the back sliding door. Picked this up actually at Big Lots for on sale for $10. So if you need cheap, inexpensive, but good quality, Cooper likes to just lay there and they don't care that I'm filming, but it was $10 at Big Lots and I highly recommend it. Last but certainly not least, I picked up this beautiful rug from, I can't remember where, Old Time Pottery, and it was on sale for $30. It is an 8x10 and I just picked it up for our table and chairs. So it's right here in the kitchen and it is beautiful. I love the colors. I like how all the rugs just go together. And yeah, so that it is it. And the dogs seem to love it because they're always laying there. And then here is one more time. Here is that rug. Thank you, Cooper. Thank you for laying there. He loves to lay there. Okay guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see more home decor hauls, or if you want to see like room tours or something in the new house, let me know. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!